So dear friends, in this video we will discuss the mercury cell. So mercury cell is suitable for low current device like the hearing aids, watch. The use are very important. Use of mercury cell, dye cell are very important. Their electrode, anode, cathode, electrolyte, and their voltage is very important. Their cell reaction is important. So we will discuss these points. So for the low current devices like the hearing aid watches consist of zinc and mercury amalgam. It is an alloy of mixture. This is a mixture. They have comparable equal size, so they form a alloy. These are D block elements. Uh, any any metal when mixed with a mercury, it form a amalgam. When there is mercury as one metal, then the mixture is amalgam. So zinc amalgam, this is the zinc mercury amalgam or zinc amalgam as the anode and the paste of mercuric oxide. The mercuric oxide is oxidizing agent. So it acts as the cathode. This its reduction occur as a cathode. It is oxidizing agent. It takes electrons. So a paste of mercuric oxide and carbon act as the cathode. Electrolyte is a paste of potassium hydroxide and zinc oxide, and the electrode reaction for the cell are given below. The zinc undergo oxidation and form the zinc oxide in basic medium, and because electrolyte is a base, and the cathode is mercury oxide. At cathode, mercuric oxide change to mercury metal by take of electron. It is oxidizing agent, it takes electrons, and it is a reducing agent, it lose electrons. So zinc is a reducing agent, mercuric oxide is a oxidizing agent. So the overall reaction by adding these, in the overall reaction there is no ions, so there is no change in concentration of ions, so there is no change in the potential during the course of the reaction. So potential remain constant, and it's a very long life cell. Its potential does not decrease. So this is our mercury cell, and in the mercury cell we have cathode, anode, and its cell potential is 1.35, and it remain constant during its life as overall reaction does not involve any ion in the solution whose concentration can change, because as the concentration change, potential change. As there is no ion, there is no change in concentration, so there is no change in potential remain constant. So this cap is of the mercury metal, sorry, this cap is of the zinc metal, zinc amalgam, and it contain a solution of paste of zinc oxide, sorry, mercury oxide, and electrolyte KOH, zinc hydroxide in basic medium. So I hope this reaction is clear to you. Thank you.